me tell you what this client went through. She wanted to save this table. She had left it outside and it got rain damaged, so the whole top was completely ruined, as you can see from this picture here. You can see it a little better in that one too. So I completely cut that top off, and I had a new piece of wood cut, and I actually then put a pattern of wood pattern into the paint, and then I put a transfer on top, and then the transfer I painted some of the flowers myself too. So the texture is actually made with a roller that has a wood pattern in it. The drawer, I just put a little pattern in there to bring it into kind of the French motif. This is the table that's going to go into a main entryway or in the corner to display like flowers and books and different things, knick-knack. But in order to protect the artwork, I'm going to have a piece of glass cut. Here's my next project I'm working on. It's a table and chair set. But this is where the magic happens. Hey, hey, hey.